Hi, my name is Natasha and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a try on and a review for the Profusion Good Brow Day Fine Brow Pencil and Tinted Brow Gel. Congratulations, Lucy K. You are the winner for this video. If you would like to win a shout out, leave a comment below to enter. Also, if you have not yet, hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I have my base of my makeup on. I need to do my eyes, and I thought that I should try this out on camera so that you can see. I picked this up at Walmart. It was around $8, I believe. It comes with a fine tip brow pencil that has a little spoolie on it, and then this is supposed to be waterproof tinted brow gel. I've been using, if you have not already seen my videos on this, the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade. This is waterproof and it will last for a really long time. I also did another video on a very long lasting, really great brow product by Urban Decay called the Inked Brow. It's supposed to last up to 60 hours, which is insane. I have reviews on all those products and we're comparing the Tattoo Studio against the other Tattoo Studio brow products on which one is the best and which one you should go and pick up. You can kind of see the difference, so I'll link those videos below. Check that out. But today we are going to be testing this one. So it says that you first go in with the brow pencil, and then after you created your look, you put this tinted brow gel on top of it to add a little bit more depth and to seal all of the hard work that you did with the pencil in place. I've not tried this yet. I got this in the color Blonde. For those of you who have not yet discovered this brand, Profusion, they've kind of been around, mostly around the holidays. They put some like sets and stuff in the Walmart gift aisle for like Christmas and things like that. And they used to have some products in Target, or maybe they still do, but not very much. Wasn't really talked about a lot. But recently they actually created a full aisle for them in Walmart, and I picked up a Spectrum palette and a Neon palette, and these colors in here are amazing. The color payoff on these palettes are amazing. I think they were like $5 a piece or something like that. They were really inexpensive, and the quality that you get is really great. They also have some other larger palettes and some different tones, but I was really aiming for these bright tones, and they're really hard to pull off, so I was extremely impressed with how it turned out. Now we're going to be trying this brow pencil. Those are pretty much the only products from Profusion that I've actually purchased and tried myself. So this will be the second type. I love that this pencil comes with a little spoolie on the end. I'm going to zoom you in so that we can see how this performs on my brows. First, little spoolie. Brush my brows kind of up, shape them. I'm kind of not the biggest fan of brow pencils because they're kind of expensive and they don't last as long as the gels, in my opinion, and they take longer to apply, and then their tips will break off. Just not my favorite thing. Alright, so this is a really fine tip. You roll it out like that. See how much product you get. So you do get a significant amount compared to what I've seen other products give you. Okay, I don't want to roll out anymore, break it. I just rubbed it a little bit on my hand. That's a nice color payoff, wasn't too hard to work with. Alright, so we're first going to go in, and I like to draw a line and define the bottom. And then once I drew my line, I like to go in and define this corner. And then once that's done, I'll move in forward, trying to keep this area more fluffy. No brow, what do you think? So far this pencil is actually working really nicely. This color is really like a perfect match for my hair, which is really nice. I have no complaints with using this pencil. I'm actually enjoying it. Let me go in and use this brow tinted gel. So it's supposed to be waterproof. It comes with this little spoolie type thing right here on the end with a little bit of the product on it, so I like that. You can see it's not as dark as the pencil, and it's a little bit more cool toned than the pencil. I'm going to let that dry on my hand, and then we're going to do like a little rub test with some water to see, because it does claim to be waterproof. I'm going to do a little dip in here. I'm going to focus on the ends, and then I'm going to move into the front of my brow just like I did with the pencil. So there's not much product coming off on this. So that's not bad at all. At first I didn't like it, but now that I've put a little bit more on, I really do like it. It does take a little bit just to work with the product. You know what I want to do? I want to apply this on the side that I did not do the pencil and just see what kind of results it gives just by itself. Nice. It gives me some major soap brow vibes. If you would like to see me do a little video on soap brows and how that's done. Also, I am about to re-dye my eyebrows. I kind of tint them just a little bit darker, not really to change the color of my own brow, but to get the fine blonde hairs that I have a lot of that are there. So dyeing them the same color essentially as the rest of the hairs makes my brows look fuller, which is really good. I also have a new brow growth product that I've been using, brow and lash growth product. If you'd like to have a video of all of those things that I just mentioned, please leave it in the comments below and let me know if that's something that you're interested in. But right now, I really like the result of both, using both products and then just using the gel by itself. I do want to clean up a little bit right here because the lines are not as sharp as what I would like them to be. Okay, so that's an overall nice result. Do you think that you should use just one product by itself or both of them together? Let me know in the comments below. I like both. I do think that it is a little bit of extra work. Just every day I just use like a pomade for like being quick and just getting out of the door. But this one, I really do like the result of it. It is really nice and clean. The color's really nice, and hopefully it will last for a long time. Let's see, this thing on my hand has pretty much just about dried, but it's coming off just with me rubbing it like this on my hand, so that tells me that it probably won't stand the water test. The pencil is not coming off, as you can see right here, with like a hard rub, so that's good, but the brow gel is not standing up to just a normal rub test. And so if I add water into this, I think that it will just come off. But overall, I think that it is a really nice product. What do you guys think? Is it something that I should use again? Is it something that I should repurchase? Is it something that you should purchase? For $8, not bad at all. I'm impressed. Profusion. Go and pick up some of Profusion's eye palettes as well if you're interested. Super high quality, nice prices, great stuff, great brand. I think that about covers it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, hit that red button and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.